All right, this lesson is all about circles. Circles is one of the 4 types of conic sections. You have learned about circles in the past, where the formula is x minus h squared equals y minus k squared equals r squared, where r is the radius. And so if we look at our first example, we're going to identify the circle, but we need to put it in standard form, or the standard equation of a circle. And so that means we need to complete the squares. So the first thing I'm going to do is rearrange the x's together. Put a blank so that I can complete the square. And then put the y's together. And then anything that was not an x or a y, move to the other side. Now, again, remember that to complete the square of a circle, it's b divided by 2 squared, which means you just half it and square it. So if I half my -10, that's -5. -5 squared is 25. Whatever I add to one side, I must add to the other side. And then you do it again for the y. So for the y, the b value is -6. Half of -6 is -3. -3 squared is 9. So I add 9 to the other side. And so now if I complete the square, that becomes x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 30 plus 25 is 55. 55 plus 9 is 64. And so that is the equation in standard form. And it says write the equation in standard form, which we did that, and then it says identify the center and the radius. Okay, well the center is just 5, 3. And the radius, because it's r squared, if we square root that to solve for r, the square root of 64 is just 8. So that's it. So try the next one. If I half -8, I get -4. -4 squared is 16. For the other one, if I half -4, I get -2. -2 squared is 4. And so if I complete the square, I get x minus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 17. And so in this case, the center would be at 4, -2. In this case, my radius is just the square root of 17. And that's it. So then, other types, if we're given the center and the radius, again, because it's y minus h squared plus x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. My center would be plus 3. My k is minus 1. And then my radius is 4, so 4 squared is 16. And that's it. Last one, it says find the standard form of the equation of a circle where the center is at 7, 0. Right now, I don't know what to plug in for my r squared because my r is not given. However, it says the circumference is 20 pi. Well, remember, circumference is 2 pi r. So that means my circumference is 20 pi. If I solve for r, my radius is 10. So now I can simply replace that with 10 squared, which is 100. And that's it. That's everything.